John from Panama States. What I would like to say here today, as you can see on the floor, there is a major crack with the concrete floor. So we were called here today to waterproof this floor. Although there is a French drain, when it rains, the water is coming from the floor due to the cracks. They're very deep cracks, guys, all the way down to the dirt, to the bottom of this basement. So what we're doing here, we're going to, I'm using this Bosch Max hammer drill with a flat chisel, and what I'm going to do here is I'm cutting along the side of the crack, about 1.5 inches on each side of the crack, and about an inch to 1.5 inches deep. It has to be done this way. So this is actually what I'm trying to create. This is how deep it's supposed to go from this side, let's say, of the crack what happened over here. Then we're going to use hydraulic cement to seal off on top of it, to seal off the cracks. And after the hydraulic cement cures, then we're going to put a layer of T-trap on top of the floor, which we're going to demonstrate that in our next video, in order to lay our ceramic floor. And definitely that will guarantee a waterproof basement for our client. So I guess this is it. Like I said, what you gotta do is just use the Bosch or similar to that, a hammer drill with a flat chisel, and just try to work either side, left and right, with a 35-degree angle off the crack, about 1.5 inches wide, about 1 inch and a half deep. Okay? So just as that. Alright, I think that's what I covered for the day. See you again next time.